What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar. We're out here, we are do it. Anyways, right now we are getting a some.
Hey guys, welcome back to Jamaican Chef Black.
Yeah man, Soulfly fam. You know today we just showing how to debone a chicken breast. The basic. Before we get in any more chicken breast recipe. So first, as me say, in the baked chicken, well I get rid of all of the fat and the skin. So basically this is your chicken. You see me? Get rid of that part there, cause that was fat. Man, it might look hard but it's easy. Alright, so we are there. So I'm gonna show you the back there, backbone right there. So you're gonna find this and you're gonna split it. You feel one hard part in there. After you split it, you just basically just follow what I do. You cut out that little skin there where join the part of the chicken together. And you just finish get rid of it. Alright. Step by step we are showing now. So right now we have a backbone. We are trying to cut it, but guess what? The wing are gonna always cause a problem. So what we try to do is get rid of the wing first. Debone the wing. Giant the wing, not debone, giant the wing. Understand? So then we'll get rid of the back. You're gonna see the line there, you're gonna get rid of the back. When you're done, when you get rid of the back, your chicken breast is supposed to look like this. You know, you have to get rid of the skin. So we just use the knife. As I can say, we'll wipe the knife, we do not cut. Alright, now you're gonna find the center. You know the breast have the center. So here we are do, we are start from the bone. And we are wipe with knife, wipe. Wipe and we are turn the knife slant way and wipe and just wipe. Basically you guys were supposed to be using a paring knife, but any knife, as long as the knife is well sharp, your knife can use. So we are do the same thing to this side. Wipe, we are wipe with knife. Slant way, we just wipe the knife. As you can see, I'm going to show you exactly how. Slant way, wipe. So you get all of the meat and you leave the bone. Alright, this part of the bone now, it might look like trash, but it's not trash. You can use it back in your stew chicken, or you can use it for your stock, for your sauce, or your soup, clear soup, whatever. I'm gonna show you how to do clear soup and show you how to do stock still. So you can look out for those videos in the future coming. So here you can do, you can get your chicken, or you can get your chicken and follow. As I show you, you see how mold, you just need to find that. Look how bone right there. So when you hold it tight, yeah, and then you just split, just cut it. That's basically it. As you can see what I do, as I said before, you get rid of the wings, because the wing I got hamburger, so I got giant the wing, not side, giant. When you get rid of the little backbone, there's more than one way to debone a chicken breast, so don't be afraid to comment on your way or you debone it, or if this method work for you, just let me know. To me, this will be the easiest way to debone a chicken breast, to me. So just comment, don't fear for comment and let me know what you think. So I show you how to do it again. See the center where I follow the line. And we just take one knife and we just slit. Remember, slit and cut. You just barely rub the knife. As you can see, my hand set slant way. We just rub it. Go down. Slant way. And just like that. But here you have to start it from the bone. And slant, swipe it, slide. Not swipe. Don't get me wrong, not swipe. Slide it down. Yeah, we just slide it down. Basically, that way I do. So this chicken breast can do for anyone any type of your appetizer or as a main course. So most recipe you're gonna find it's a boneless chicken breast. So me just save you the trouble of the expense of buying the boneless chicken breast. You can just have your chicken in your fridge and decide, alright, this Sunday me just feel like say me just want the breast alone for look bow. The breast can use as so you would have esco chicken, esco fish, you can use the same breast as esco breast. Cut it. And it can go both ways. Alright, this is the other way I tell you how you can sew debone a chicken. Debone a chicken breast. Same cut. Yeah. Alright, this method how mother do it, I know this would have good for be like jerk. So I'm gonna get rid of that, or if I do barbecue. So I'm gonna get rid of the thigh and the leg. It's good for be used as a barbecue. So now we are get rid of the wing. Same because we don't want to chop the wing when we are trying to get rid of the bone. So when we are get rid of the backbone, you are gonna see the line. You are gonna follow the line come down and just cut it. You have to use force. You can't slide it like we do the breast. Because that's a bone. So you have to put local force on it. So it might look hard, but it is not hard. It is very easy. In no time you're gonna become a pro at it and you're gonna comment and say, yeah, you can do it. You have a local party, you can do it. The breast good for do sweet and sour. Yeah. So and you can even stuff the breast. So remember the line, we have follow the line. As you can see, make sure from this angle. You just slant it exactly from the bone. Because you want to get all of that meat. And you just slide the knife. People, you may not know if you can angle a chef knife, but the paring knife is very easier to use because it's shorter. So basically I'm just showing you how the cuts stay now. So remember, like, share, comment and subscribe. And you can drop suggestion of what you want to see your boy do or whatever. And we have a new video I drop next week. Oh wait, basically I go show you the journey where we have to take on for our work a morning time. So check it out. As would I say, another day, another dollar. We're out here. We love y'all. Continue supporting your boy. We just do it.